Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So I uploaded this photo on Instagram and I asked whether you guys want a tutorial for this look or not, and most of you said yes. So here I am. I'll be showing you how I got this very natural everyday peachy tone look. It's full of peachy tones and it's all about summer, and it's very easy to do, and I used only I guess 4 products or 5 products. That's it, not more than that, and it only takes 5 minutes to do it. So let's not waste any time and get into the video. Okay, so I've already tied my hair back, I've done my skincare, I've prepped it, but I'll be still applying the moisturizer again, and I'm using the Oceglow water cream moisturizer. So as I was saying, in summer my skin tends to become oily, so I generally prefer using water-based or gel-based products. Okay, so now that's the cream, and now you can see the glow and the hydration it has given me, and I love this. So now coming on to the makeup, this look is more on peachy tones. It's full of blush and pink tones and peachy tones. So I'll be using this Revlon lipstick. This is the Revlon Ultra Matte HD lipstick, and this is in the shade Obsession. So I'll be applying this as a liquid blush, and I'll be applying it very little in dots. Why? Because this is very pigmented and I don't want to look like a clown. I'll be just applying it on my cheeks over here, as you can see. I'll be using my beauty blender now to just blend this out, because I'm doing this very light-handedly. I don't want the pigment to wash off. So I've applied the blush in the uplifted look, but you can apply it in your way. If you want a fuller look, you can apply it on the cheek area, or you want in a W. So that depends completely on you. How do you want to apply this? So now I'll be coming on to the concealer. I'll be using the Infallible L'Oreal concealer, and this is in the shade 312 Amber. I guess this is one of the best and full coverage concealer in drugstore. I'll be just applying a little bit. Why? Because this is very full coverage, and I guess it comes with the dupe of Tarte Shape Tape concealer. So just in the inner corners, a little bit over here, upper lips, on my chin, and a little bit here, and that's it. That's it. This is where I'm going to apply my concealer. Now again, using my beauty blender, I'll blend this out. So I try to keep it as fresh, as natural I can, on everyday basis, because I cannot use a foundation or heavy coverage, color correcting and heavy coverage layering of products. And this actually stays for a very long time, and it gives you a very nice flush look also, like a glowy flush look. And it's true, like I actually believe this, less is more, so I do follow this. Now whatever's left on the blender, I'll apply it on my forehead. Why? Because I don't want my forehead to look completely different. You can see how natural and how beautifully this has blended out. Now what's left over on the my blender, again I'll be just going over my blush. Why? Because I want it all to be merged together. Now to set everything on place, I'll be using this Forever 52 Wet and Dry Compact, and this is in the shade Fair. I cannot actually show why, because it's all broken, if you can see, so I cannot, but I'll be using very lightly. I'll take it on my beauty blender, and then tapping off the excess on the back of my hand, and I'll be just lightly dabbing it all over the place where I've applied my concealer. So make sure you don't apply too much of powder, because we don't want to go for a baking or something. We just want to lightly set the concealer in place. And that's it. Now because my lips are getting dry, so I'll be applying my lip balm, and I love this Nivea lip balm. It gives a nice pinky tone also. Okay, so I haven't applied anything on my blush area, so I want to set my liquid blush as well. So I'll be using this ColorBar blush, and this is in the shade bronzing glaze. Actually, everything has been wiped out. I've been using this blush so much. So taking very light-handedly, tapping off the excess, going on, and I'll be starting it from the back and then coming in front. And I'm just tapping it off where I want my blush to placed. So I'm using the Wet n Wild blush brush, and as you can see, it's a little angular on the side. So I'll be taking the top angle, taking a little bit, tapping off the excess, and I'll be. And that's it. So you can see how uplifted this side looks, and this isn't that uplifted. So I'll be doing the same thing on this side. Again, I'm showing you. This technique was all over the place on Instagram as well. So I tried this and I love this. So I'm just using that. In the O motion, I'll be placing it. And that's it. And now my eyes actually look very blank. So I'll be using this mascara. This is my favorite. This is the Colossal Waterproof Maybelline Mascara. And I'll be applying it. So I generally don't apply any lipstick. I keep it on the lip balm side only, but because it gives a natural tint also, it gives that rosy pink. But if sometimes I want a little bit, you can use the same lipstick on the lip balm itself, and applying a very little bit, and I'll be smudging this off. Okay, and that's it. That's the makeup look, and I'll be showing you the entire look. I'll be changing off, and I'll be showing you the entire look. I'll be coming up with my hair and all everything, so just stay tuned. So I'm back and I've changed my outfit. This outfit is from my own brand, Paridhi Bakshi label. You can follow us on Instagram, and if you love the outfit, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, I've accessorized it using some shell oxidized earrings. This one is from the page Welzamante on Instagram, so do follow them as well. And this actually looks quite nice. Now coming on to the makeup look, I think it's perfect for every day. It's full of peach tones, and you can obviously switch it to the pink tones of according to yourself. And this makeup looks actually takes 5 minutes once you do it, because I was explaining, so it took a little longer time. But if you do it on regular basis, it just takes 5 minutes, and it's almost 5 to 6 products, which is very minimal. As you can see, it's not cakey at all. It looks great whether you wear Western or Indo-Western or Indian, and it's perfect for everyday look. So that's it. That's for this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. Now, if you do recreate this, do tag me. My Instagram handle is Paridhi Bakshi Official. And I'll see you in the next video. Till the time, subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye!